Welcome learners for the lecture 25 of a linear algebra. Today we are discussing about the topic that will be given as a theorem for the diagonalization of this matrix. Okay, how to defining to the diagonalization of this form or a eigen's value and eigenvector to compare to the T form of the linear operator. Okay, let T be the linear operator on the finite dimensional vector space V and let W be the denote the T cyclic subspaces of V generated by the non-zero vector. Small v is an element of capital V. Let K equals to dimension of W, then show that A equals to generated V T of a V T square V or given to the T K minus V is the basis for the W. This is the first position, and second, if A0 V plus A1 TV plus consider as a K minus 1 T K minus 1 V plus T to the power K V equals to 0, then the characteristics polynomial generated of the value, that is the TW, is the f of t equals to minus 1 to the power K. All the positive value will be generated. Okay, let us go started as the solution of this form. This is both of this condition for solving to the theorem. They depending on the form that will be the invariant subspaces, all of this considering in the form. Okay, since v is not equals to 0, the set v is a linearly independent. Let j be the largest positive integers for given to the value which beta equals to v t v T j minus 1 v is a linearly independent, such as j must exist because v is the finite dimensional. Let z equals to a span of a 0, then 0 is the basis for w. Furthermore, t to the power j v is an element of a z. We used the information to show that is a z is a t invariant of this form. If subspaces will be generated of the value that is a v, let W is an element of a Z, since W is a linear combinations of the vector of a beta basis B. There exists scalar B0 B1 to Bj minus 1 such that W equals to B0 V plus B1 TV plus consider as a Bj minus 1, because J is a largest positive integer will be showing to this form. J minus 1 T to the power J minus 1 considered to the form of a V, and hence to given as a TW. If we apply as a operator of the form in the both of the V, that will be TW equals to B0 TV plus B1 T square V is generated to the form. All of this condition, first condition will be applied to the form of a B1 T1V B2 T2V square will be generated in this form of a j minus 1. Means first position will be given. Okay, linear combination. Thus TW is a linear combinations of a vector in a z, and hence z belongs to the form of this equation. So z is the t invariant. Furthermore, v is an element of a z to given to the condition w is the smallest t invariant subspaces of the v that is contained as a v, so that w is the subspaces of the z clearly show that z is the subspaces of a w, both of this combination in the reversing form. And so we conclude that z equals to w. It follows that the beta is the invariant basis for the w, therefore dimension w equals to j, thus j equals to k. This is proved by the equation first. Okay, now view consider as a beta from equation a as order basis for the w. Let a0 a1 to a k minus 1 be the scalar form such that to given to the condition w equals to a0 v plus a1 tv is generated to the form of a equation. Observe that tw beta equals to consider as a 0 0 0 minus a0 1 0 0 minus a1. If consider as a a1 0 0 0 1 consider as a minus a k minus 1. This condition or the characteristics polynomials given to the form, that is the f of t equals to minus 1 to the power k a0 a1 a k minus 1, both of this condition is applied for this value. T is multiplied to the form. Hence thus f of t is the characteristics polynomial of a tw, proving to the equations